Hello all, I'm Makayla Heise. I'm a full-time student in the LTC Agribusiness program, striving to learn as much as possible about the agricultural business world while holding down a part-time job and juggling a personal life. While this can all be challenging at times, my passion for the agricultural industry is what drives me forward. More specifically, I discovered my passion in the dairy industry when I started showing dairy cattle for 4-H in high school. I quickly fell in love with dairy and everything it holds. 5 years later, I realized I wanted to help the dairy world in any way I could, hoping one day to make it a part of my everyday life. My passion doesn't stop there, as I thoroughly enjoy horseback riding as well. Work has become an enjoyable part of my life as I've worked on a handful of dairy and horse farms, gaining experience and knowledge from both industries along the way, including animal care and handling, reading body language, accountability, and good communication skills. The dairy and horse world don't always see eye to eye, but I hold both near and dear to my heart. I look forward to building experiences and relationships in the agricultural world and finding a career path truly meant for me.